I really want to build and sustain my wealth. Oh!
You know, I can make you well-heeled. Market order. A market order is one that directs the broker to execute the trade at the current price. For example, if the ask price of US dollar to Japanese yen is 109.940, that is the price which the order will be executed at. If you want to buy US dollars at the current price, you just need to click the buy button on the trading platform. The trade will be executed immediately. Pending order. Pending order is a conditional trade that can be classified into 4 types: buy limit, buy stop, sell limit, and sell stop. Buy limit. A buy limit places a buy order below the current market price. Let's assume that the current ask price for US dollar to Japanese yen is 109.940. If you want to open the trade at the price of 109.920, then you can take the advantage of using buy limit order. Buy stop. A buy stop order can be used to purchase a currency pair at a position higher than the current price. For example, assume that the current ask price for US dollar to Japanese yen is 109.940. If you want to buy when the price hits 109.960, then you place a buy stop order. Sell limit. A sell limit order is the opposite of a buy stop order. It is used to place an order to sell a currency pair at a specific price better than the current bid price. If US dollar to Japanese yen is trading at 109.940 and you wish to sell at 109.960, you can place a sell limit order. Sell stop. A sell stop order is used to sell below the market price after a stop price has been reached. Assuming the market bid price for US dollar to Japanese yen is 109.940, and you hope to sell when the price reaches 109.920, you can set a sell stop order. Using pending orders can help you execute trades and minimize risks when you are not near your computer or smartphone.
Oh!
Okay, let's summarize what we've learned today. We've learned several types of orders, including market orders and pending orders, buy limit, buy stop, sell limit, sell stop. Will Hunting, are you ready for the quiz? In the next video, we will learn balance of payments, BOP, and inflation, and their relationship with Forex market.